In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a module in Odoo apps. Whether you're looking to enhance the functionality of your Odoo system or simply want to familiarize yourself with the process, this guide will make it straightforward and manageable. So, let's dive in. First, you'll want to log in to your Odoo online instance. Once you're in, locate the icon for activating developer mode. Activating developer mode is a crucial step as it gives you the additional features and options required to manage and upload modules effectively. This mode is designed for users who need to extend and tweak their Odoo environment, providing necessary access to advanced settings. With developer mode enabled, head over to the Apps menu. The Apps menu is essentially your gateway to both Odoo's provided applications and any external modules you wish to add. By navigating here, you're one step closer to integrating the new functionality you need into your existing system. Now in the Apps menu, you'll see an option labeled Import Module. This is the tool you'll use to upload your new module. Clicking on this option brings up a new interface where you can manage your module files. It's important to note that the module you plan to upload must be in a zip file format. This is a requirement Odoo has in place for importing modules efficiently. Once you have your module prepared as a zip file, you can upload it. There's a selection for Force Init that you'll need to check. Checking Force Init ensures that the module initializes properly and can be recognized by your Odoo system. It's particularly useful when installing a module for the first time, as it helps in laying down a fresh foundation for the application within your environment. After you have your file selected and the Force Init box checked, go ahead and click Import App. This action will upload and install the module into your Odoo platform, extending its capabilities. If your module is under 50 MB, the upload should proceed smoothly. Keeping the file size below this limit is mandatory, so if your module exceeds it, consider optimizing the file by compressing it further or removing unnecessary components. Now, if you need to make updates or changes to your module and you plan to re-import it, you should use the developer menu's Become Superuser option before repeating the process. Becoming a superuser grants you elevated permissions that may be necessary for re-importing modules, especially if changes impact core functionalities. After re-importing, ensure you carry out any additional configurations as needed. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to uploading your module in Odoo apps. This process not only boosts your Odoo environment, but also empowers you to customize it according to your preferences. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.